Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. It's Friday. Today is going to be a pretty productive day. Alexander and I woke up early. We're about to head out. We're gonna stop by La La Land, get some drinks, some breakfast, and then we're gonna head to our facial appointment. I haven't done a facial in 4 months, and Alexander hasn't done it in a year. So our appointment is at 10, and after our facial we're gonna take Menace to the vet to get a wellness checkup at 2 o'clock. He's been randomly throwing up in the middle of the night. I would say once every 3 to 4 weeks he would just throw up around 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's that typical yellowy foamy type of throw up, and I know it's really common in dogs. But I just want to, take him in, see if he's all good. And then after that, we're going to go see the comedian that I went to go see for my birthday last year. So he's back in town, Samuel J. Comroe. So me, Alexander, my brother, my friend Joe, and then my friend Ellen and her husband, we're all going to go grab dinner tonight and then head to the comedy club, because the show starts at 10. So it's going to be a very long day. It's going to be fun. But I'll take you guys along. It's a beautiful day today. Let's get going. So we got chai overnight oats again. I really like their oats, and I also like their jars. They ran out of chia pudding. They're really popular there. And then Alexander got the iced French toast latte with oat milk and CBD added. Then I got their iced Lala matcha latte, their classic, with oat milk as well. This is my first time trying their iced matcha latte, so let's give it a go. It's nice. Just finished our facial, loved it. It's been too long. Also got some more Elta MD products. I got the UV clear, you guys know it's my favorite, and then I got the UV stick. This is for Alexander because he hates putting on sunscreen. He hates the spray sunscreen that I got him. So the stick is like a deodorant. You just apply the sunscreen anywhere all over your body. It's face and body sunscreen, so and hopefully he uses it. He better. Me and Hannah were just talking the whole time while she was doing my facial, and that tends to make things go by faster. It's not too bad.
No conversations, and I loved it. It was so relaxing. Left or right? I don't remember.
Make a left.
Yeah, I didn't have no conversations, but that's the way I like it. It was so relaxing. I was just snapping almost. Relaxing.
Usually men, they don't really talk. Us girls, we're
I
little chatty.
prefer quietness and relaxation, and my brain just turned off. I just felt so good.
Yeah. Anyways, that was a great facial. We're gonna finish up our drinks and then we're gonna head home now. All right, we're back in the car. We went home for about an hour and a half, rested up, did some work, and now taking Menace to the vet. He's not a big fan of car rides. Unfortunately, I wish he was. It's always cute when you see a dog with his head sticking out of the window. He is definitely not like that. He likes to hide behind the seats. He doesn't even sit on the actual seat. You see that? Menace. Okay. All right, let's go. This is what we deal with.
Is Mega like that?
It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Good boy. We just got done with Menace vet appointment. He is super healthy. She said just to feed him larger amounts, but less times a day. So we were feeding him a cup 3 times a day. She said try to feed him a cup and a half twice a day instead, because he's probably just hungry in the middle of the night and his stomach is empty. That's why he could be throwing up. But overall, she said he's in good health. Everything looks great. He's a healthy boy. Oh, he was so stressed. We did get him a muzzle, a cloth muzzle, and a new toy for him. I just love whenever we get a new toy for them. They're so happy. My Menace, you're so happy to be home, huh? You hate car rides. You did so good today. Oh, my sweet boy.
Smell the food.
Enjoy your new toy. Yo, I just woke up from a nap. I still feel really groggy. But we have about an hour to get ready. Try to look presentable because this is not it. This is just crazy. Okay, here is my outfit. I did a very, very light makeup, blush, eyebrows, mascara, eyeliner, a little bit of bronzer. I didn't put any foundation or anything, but this is the look, trying to look presentable. Now we're gonna get going. Okay, we're gonna try Miso Maya for dinner. I think it's a Tex-Mex restaurant.
You can do it quick before the men scarf everything down.
So far.
I'll take a picture.
Look at this dusty car. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, Eric. He just left me. So we're here at this plaza where the comedy show is at. It's so cute. I've never been to this area. They have restaurants, shopping centers. Eric needs to get a new shirt. So we're gonna go into Urban Outfitters because he got sauce all over his shirt at the restaurant. Never mind, the store is closed. It's a Friday. Why are these stores closed?
Because it's Friday, that's why.
It's the weekend. Say hi, Joe.
That's pure milk and honey.
This is a Plaza Club, right?
No idea, but it's super cute, right?
That is cute.
They have apartments and lofts on that side. Y'all, I gotta take a photo of this. This is so cute. Look! Eric got a new shirt. Look at him. Coming out with a fresh shirt. Okay, we're gonna go try this place. Pure milk and honey soft serve ice cream. I love me some soft serve. They better be open. Okay, I am digging the music here. So 2000s R&B.
Like, hey, but seriously, I don't make money doing this. You wanna buy some?
Hey guys, it's the next morning. I am getting ready for the day. Last night's comedy show was fun. The comedian pretty much did the same set that he did the last time we went to last year, which I guess we all kind of figured since it's only been 8 months. He hasn't made that much new material. That's what we're thinking. But he did switch it up a little bit when he starts talking to the audience. That has to change. You can't have the same response and everything. I really like the host that was at the comedy club. His set was funny, and then the opening act was funny as well. I think it was a lot better than the first time around. You know, my friend Ellen and Charles, they haven't seen him in person, so they were just laughing their asses off. So as long as they have a good time, I'm having a good time. We're vibing. That's all that matters. Yeah, we came home around at midnight, so super tiring. Right now, I am about to head out and take Newman to the vet. So yes, going to the vet back to back with our dogs. He needs his anal glands expressed. And then afterwards, I am gonna go see Christine and finish up Love is Blind season 4. I know the finale came out last night, and they're going to do the live reunion. Oh god, this is so bad. The live reunion tomorrow. We have 6 episodes to finish, so we're just gonna knock them all out today. It'll be fun. I'll take you guys along. I bought this Mochi cake mix from Trader Joe's a few weeks ago, and we're going to bake it at her place. So we're gonna do that, and it'll be fun. And Newman's gonna be with me all day. Since their vet is closer to her area, there's no point of driving back and forth. Yes, so that would be the plans for today. Gonna be a very chill day with a girlfriend. Super fun. You ready, Newman? I'm gonna walk him just a little bit before we go. Jump on in. Good boy. Good boy. Ready for a car ride? Nice. Good boy. Okay, I am now at Christine's house. Just got here. Everything went well with Newman at the vet. He just needed to get his anal glands expressed. They said it was a lot, but it's normal. Typically, small dogs, they need to get their anal glands expressed more. I would say like 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, all is well, all is good. I just got here. Christina's pulling up. She went to Target, and we're gonna go in and start the show. Looks like a big old cyst. Alright, I am back home now. Christine's place was a lot of fun today. We finished the show. It was good. Ready for the live reunion tomorrow. Yeah, it was a great day. Newman was so relaxed at her place. I can tell he enjoyed himself just to be away from the big dogs. He was just chilling all day, playing with his ball. We took him on a nice walk 2 times around her neighborhood. It was nice. And the mochi cake isn't that bad. Will I get it again? No, but it was good to try at Trader Joe's. I am going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoy the weekend with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.